Hi everybody, Melissa Avera here. I wanted to give you a recent update on what's been happening with the real estate market and kind of where we are today. And great news really to report, buyers are absolutely flooding into the market. Once a lot of the shelter-in-place restrictions got lifted, a ton of people, I think, made the decision to buy after being stuck in their home. They realized that their house doesn't work for them anymore, or now they're working at home indefinitely, or their kids are e-learning and they need more space. So a lot of people have been on the move over the summer and coming into the fall, which is an amazing thing because interest rates are so low. They took another dive just a few weeks ago. So if you have been on the fence or are on the fence about buying, it's time to get off and make a move. It is a fabulous time to take advantage of the rates being so low. And if you need help with a lender, reach out to me. I have some great people that I work with that will be happy to talk to you. And if you're not in the market to buy, and you might want to look at refinancing again, just because of the fact the rates are so low. So on the flip side, talk about selling. So with so many people in the market to buy, now is a really great time to consider putting your house on the market if you have been thinking about it. I'm seeing a lot of homes. I mean, some of them that, within hours of being on the market, they're already under contract or multi-offer. So if you have a nice home and it's priced competitively and you're in a good area, it's going to sell fast. So if you need to make that move, a lot of people, tend to move during the summer versus the fall. But with the amount of relocations of people coming to the North Texas area, we are still in a massive inventory shortage. So it really is a great time to sell. I hope all of you have stayed well and safe through this crazy time that we've been living in. If you have any concerns at all, any real estate questions, any lending questions, any questions about your mortgage payments, things like that, do not hesitate to reach out. I am here to be a resource to you and to the community. So anything I can do to do my part and help, I am happy to do it. Hope you have a great day.